This is a Jordan 1 Dior, as you can see, a brand new pair of Jordan 1 Diors.
मेरे लिए
क्या चीज मेरे लिए? This is not for him, this is not for me, this is for you guys. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we have two things to unbox. We have the Jordan 1 Diors like you already saw. Not that you haven't seen the Diors before on my channel, but today is something special. And apart from that, obviously like you saw in the previous video, bro, slides are here by the way finally. So like you saw in the previous video, we were trying to cop the slides on retail, which we obviously could not. So I had to pay resale for them. I got it from Main Street for about 17,000-18,000. I am not sure. It depends on the size. So you can go check that out on Main Street. So yeah, so let's go and first take a look at how those slides are, because I was pretty much excited for that colorway. Harsh, are you going to unbox it this time again? अरे करना सब. Everyone says that they like your unboxing, bro. अच्छा unbox. बॉक्स तो सीधा कर. अरे ओपन ना. ओह शी, तो बकवास है यार bro.
ऑरेंज ही है ना?
I don't think it's orange. Did you like it?
I don't know.
Let's see in daylight. Hey Wax, देखो orange लग रही है क्या ये? मेरे को तो orange नहीं लग रही. I think this is more like fluorescent orange or sort of peach. I don't know. What are your thoughts, Harsh? Would you buy these?
Mixed feelings about these. And I don't know. एक बार पहन के देखो ना.
पहन के कैसे देखूँ यार? Okay, let's first put it on feet and then see how it looks. What do you think now? What do you think, Harsh?
I don't know. I still can't say कि अच्छी दिखेगी.
I think it looks fuck all, bro.
But आपको ये छोटी नहीं लग रही?
Yeah, the sizing also looks little off.
एक कंपेयर करते हैं.
Let's compare it to the other slides.
एक निकाल के दो.
You know how to compare? क्या हुआ?
How is this possible?
It looks small, right?
Bro यार क्या है ये?
Is it small?
हाँ see.
पैसा कैसा?
वही तो.
एक साइज का फर्क लग रहा है पूरा.
हाँ both are.
Wax, don't you think it is small?
It's very small.
तो
Both are UK.
both are UK. तो how is it small?
See ये क्या है ये?
By the way, I wear a UK 8 in the slides because I wear a UK 7 in 350 V2s. But on the slides, I want to wear it with socks, and then UK 7 becomes too tight. So I go for a UK 8. It might be different for you. Anyway, show me the slide. So these are the Enflame orange or Enforo orange, or there are a couple of names given to it in the orange colorway in short, which I don't think is true. This is not at all orange. It might be in a couple in a certain lighting, but otherwise overall it feels like fluorescent orange or peach or something like that. I think this is absolutely crap. I expected a much better colorway, pretty much similar to the Soulflies, but these are honestly terrible. So if you are planning to get one, then I would suggest don't get it because it is crap. You can rather go for the pure or the resin. They are way better. Anyways, these are selling for about 18 to 20,000 in different sizing, depends on what size you are. And my opinion, definitely it is not worth it. So please do not go for these. Get another better colorway because these are absolutely crap. Let's put this aside and move on to the second unboxing for today. By the way, did you guys check out the Louis Vuitton Nike collab that was revealed yesterday? I mean, we saw the whole show and we did not realize it is Nike because we did not expect it. So we didn't really think that that could actually happen. Although there was this one all-white sneaker that we spotted in the show that they had yesterday, and we kind of thought it's Nike, but we were not clear. But immediately after the news came out that it is a collab between Nike and Louis Vuitton, and they are supposedly coming out in 21 colorways, right?
21.
So it's a Air Force One collaboration only, and they're coming out in 21 colorways. There are a couple of mids as well. Which one did you like the most, Harsh? From
That
those?
white one.
Hey Wax, just show a couple of photos of Louis Vuitton Air Force One, okay? Which one did you like?
The white one.
Hey, don't say white because I said white, okay?
अरे वो एक.
You said you like that foil वाला वो prism जैसा multicolor. झूठ मत बोला भी कैमरा पे. So yeah, so basically I like the all white colorway which I had shared on my story also yesterday. That is pretty nice, but overall I think the collab is absolutely bullshit. I don't think they have tried anything, and the worst part of the collab is the accents of Off-White that Virgil has put with that dirty green tag on every colorway of the Air Force
So it's
One.
more like Louis Vuitton, Off-White and Nike.
And also specifically that lace text on the lace set or whatever they've written. It is absolutely bullshit, and in my opinion it looks completely cheap, and so I'm not very sure. But the white one does not have that tag, I think. I'm not sure. It does not have a lot of things that the other shoes have, which is why I think they are pretty nice, and they could be a really nice luxury all white sneaker to have. So let's see how it goes. We might get one, and when we will see how they look when we do the unboxing on the channel. So do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and follow me on Instagram. पहले ही बोल दिया. Alright, now without taking any more time, let's get to the Dior's. So here is the box of the Jordan 1 Dior's. Let's quickly go ahead.
Dior से याद आया
क्या?
उस दिन मैं वो फ्रेम के लिए गया था ना.
हाँ.
तो I saw this.
अच्छा तू अभी मैं अनबॉक्स किया था तो तू ये बाद में नहीं बोल सकता था? बीच में मेरे को इंटरप्ट करना जरूरी था. क्या अभी बोल?
वो Dior का फ्रेम.
क्या Dior का फ्रेम?
वहाँ पे था एक बहुत अच्छा.
तो ले रहा है तू?
हाँ वो बर्थडे पे 20% डिस्काउंट.
Let's not talk about that. चलो let's go ahead and unbox this. Are you unboxing this also?
नहीं.
1 minute. Before we unbox the sneakers, let me first give you a hint why we have got another brand new pair of Dior's. We are going to be giving away this pair of Dior's to one of you guys, and I'm going to tell you more about it in a bit.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right?
अरे पर स्टार्ट कैसे करूँ? जूता तो दे.
तो ऐसे आप अरे यार.
अरे तो शूज तो होना चाहिए ना हाथ में. Should show ना what we are giving away. And people should see it is a brand new DS pair of Jordan 1 Dior lows. If I keep this here, your face is getting hidden, Harsh. Alright, so here are the Jordan 1 Dior lows, a brand new dead stock pair that we are giving away in Metro. Now I have multiple times spoken about Metro and explained to you guys what Metro is. But very quickly, in a couple of seconds, I will repeat it once again. Metro is a subscription-based service that I have started in association with Main Street Marketplace. And over the last couple of months, maybe 2 months or 3 months, we've given away a lot of pairs, including the UNC Jordan 1 highs, the Travis Scott lows, the Travis Scott highs, and this is the first time we are going overboard sort of and giving away a pair of Dior lows. That is a sneaker which costs roughly about 4 to 7 lakhs in different sizes. You all know that. I do not need to tell you. So all you have to do to enter this giveaway is go and subscribe to Metro. Like I said, it is a subscription based service. So you have to buy subscriptions. We open the slots. Not slots, we open the subscriptions for limited period of time every time we announce a new giveaway. So in that period you have to go and subscribe. You can subscribe once for $9.99 or you can subscribe twice for 2,000 rupees and you get the third subscription free. It is very similar to how slots are in a raffle, so do not get confused. And also if you do not win, I have told you before that you can utilize this 2,000 rupees to buy something from Main Street Marketplace and get it knocked off immediately from an order of about 15,000, which is pretty common because they don't really have anything else cheaper than that. So I hope I'm clear and you guys have understood. This raffle is live. Again I'm saying raffle. This giveaway is live right now. The moment this video released, that is 9 PM tonight. And I'll leave the link in description below. All you have to do is click on the link, go and purchase a subscription to Metro membership. Also your membership will be active for 30 days since the last subscription that you buy. Say if you buy one subscription tonight and you don't buy any other subscription for any other giveaway, then from today for the next 30 days you are a member of Metro, where you will get steals like discounted sneakers and apparels. We keep dropping stuff on the Metro and the marketplace page. So keep that in mind. And also if not, you can go to the store or you can just buy anything from the online website and redeem your 2,000 rupees that you paid. Why I'm saying 2,000 is because that is the most ideal scenario. If you buy 2 subscriptions for 1,000 each, that is 2,000 total, you get the third subscription free. So you basically have like 3 slots in the raffle. And that is the optimum way to do it because you can redeem that whole amount on a purchase of a t-shirt or something like that. And if you want, you can definitely buy 10 subscriptions, 100 subscriptions, depending how important the Dior's are for you. And obviously you will be able to utilize everything, but not at one go. 2,000 is the max you can at one go. So you take a call. It's your decision. We are not telling you to do in a certain way. It's not that if you buy more slots you will win for sure. It's nothing like that. It's absolutely fair and square. Many people have won sneakers with just a single slot as well. So it's your choice completely. Do what you feel like. The link is in the description box below. So go ahead and subscribe right now. Also, this particular giveaway is on for the next 1 week. But usually we keep it for like 3 hours and 2 hours and 90 minutes and things like that. We keep experimenting. And so far it's been going really great. So yeah, I'm not going to take any more of your time. And also, if you're watching this video till here, then do not forget to like this video and go to the link in description, and you can read everything about the subscription and the membership over there, and then take a call to subscribe. And I will hopefully see most of you guys in the live giveaway that we hold after 7 days on the Metro page. So yeah, I hope you guys have a good chance at winning, and all the best. And I will be back next week. No, sorry. Aaj kya hai? Friday. Alright, so I'll be back on Tuesday with another video. I do have a nice video in the works where I will be sharing about a new platform for you guys where you can compare and buy different hype sneakers for the best price possible. So yeah, that should be coming soon. And apart from that, also we have the usual scheduled upcoming release videos that you guys really liked it the last time. So yeah, that's all from me for today. Like I said, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow us on Instagram, and I'll see you on Tuesday. Peace.